Ready to blast off onto that spaceship down there. We're walking from our parking spot, which was down that way. We're gonna walk about a mile each way. We don't care. We love to walk. We need to get our steps in. This is the only way we're gonna do it.
Yeah, that's fine. And then Six Flags is like right over there.
Right.
So close.
It's
funny how we planned Six Flags for these 2 days, and then
the
like literally a mile away.
And well, we got lucky that there was a game the same day we're planning to go to Six Flags anyway. Yeah, because let me see if this next clearing, maybe we could even see it. We saw it just like...
Right there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, see there's the backside of Titan. And there's the first drop. Yeah, you can see Six Flags from... Come on.
245 feet.
Yeah. Yeah, we didn't mention that.
85 miles an hour.
Yeah, Titan, yeah, he went on a coaster that was taller than he's ever been on before by quite a bit, and faster than he's ever been on by quite a bit.
Texas is a really big state, right?
Sure.
And that is the tallest, the longest, and the fastest roller coaster in the whole state of Texas. And you went on it.
Well, but that's fine and all. Well, that's true, but it is a big state, but they don't have that many coasters. It's like Pennsylvania or California has a ton more. But yeah.
It's 85 miles an hour, 245 feet drop.
Where's your plane, peasants? But that is pretty cool. I heard you!
He was hunched over when he was on it, too.
Okay, in order, name the top 4 biggest states. The 3 in order. Okay.
Number 1, Alaska.
Okay.
Number 2, Texas.
Okay.
Number 3, California.
Number 4, that's the hard one.
New York?
Florida?
Pennsylvania.
Oh, Pennsylvania.
Really?
No, I don't know. I'm just guessing. I don't even know number 4. What do you, okay.
Bigger than Pennsylvania.
I think it's Florida and then
No,
New
it's not
York.
Florida. No, definitely not Florida. Yeah. Okay, we'll have to look it up later. We'll see who's right.
But I know the top
Pennsylvania or New York.
But I know the top 2 is Alaska and then Texas.
And then
Sure it's
California.
not Alaska and then California?
No, it's Texas. Yeah, Texas is the second biggest. And there's the Texas Rangers. They play right next door. I didn't notice that. I didn't know that.
I think it's like 3 Californias together.
All right, we don't need to continue this conversation. Bye. Security and getting our tickets was a super easy breeze. And now, yeah, Mommy's got her hand warmer. But it's nice that they have the tickets and security before you even get her on the ground. So now we can just walk anywhere we want. That's pretty cool.
And there's a satellite here.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Talking to outer space.
Oh, that's what it is. That makes sense.
Waiting for the final transmission so they can blast off.
That makes sense to me. Does it make sense to you?
Yeah. It probably takes like years and years for them to get the transmission.
That's true. So we don't know if we'll ever get into... Hopefully today's the day where the transmission finally gets through and they activate this thing. That would be cool.
But I doubt it takes that short of a period. It probably takes like 30 or 40.
Yeah, well, you never know. We could get lucky.
Can I have my other hand warmer?
Yeah, you can have your other hand warmer. Aaron didn't get a hand warmer. I guess, yeah. They're kind of cool. I mean, we're not going to use it. I mean, they're kind of cute.
I mean, as hand warmers.
Yeah.
They were.
And why would you want a beer cozy? To keep them warm?
It's not big enough to break.
Or to keep your hand warm?
Keep the cool in? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to walk around for a while. You'll hear from us. Bye. Okay, now we're at a Ford dealership. We got a little bored of the pregame stuff, so we're going to take a look at Ford cars. I'm just kidding. We're still in the stadium. It's weird. I think we're on the 3rd level.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we just see a Ford dealership on the 3rd level. That's unique. Yes? No?
Yeah.
So what do you think so far of the stadium? Smaller than you thought?
No, it's big.
Yeah. I told you, there's nothing quite like a new football stadium. They're impressive.
There's like a lot of restaurants. And
Yeah.
A lot of like carts and a lot of...
Yeah, handing out free stuff
There's a
and
lot of space and stuff.
yeah. All right, we'll explore some more, but I just thought this was worth looking at.
This is like the only, I'm pretty sure there might be like one other one like this, but I doubt it. This is like the one only thing that they're like sponsoring here.
Ford? What's the name of the stadium?
AT&T.
Okay, you think they may be sponsored as well?
Yeah.
But yeah, I think those are the two big sponsors.
Maybe like they have like Apple somewhere.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Maybe they have like Apple somewhere, like the
An Apple Subway?
like the Apple somewhere.
Oh, yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Who knows?
There's like iPhones and stuff.
Right. Well, we'll explore and we'll find out.
We're currently in the Dr. Pepper section of the stadium.
Yes.
This is where Texas is where Dr. Pepper started.
That's cool. Oh, I didn't even know they had a Dr. Pepper section here. That's kind of neat.
There's a Pepsi section.
We're gonna walk around and see that other side too.
All right.
They're very versatile. My favorite thing right now is a mint.
You like that?
Yes, right? It's a cold day outside. We gotta keep warm.
We can see what's on the channel. Like that's what it looks like on the channel.
Oh yeah, it's on that TV too. Yeah, it's actually in all the TVs. I don't know when you're walking around.
That one's just pure video of that.
Yeah.
That one is on the channel.
Gotcha. All right, we're heading now downstairs to the other side where they have like little concerts and other stuff going on the other side that we haven't been to yet. But I have a feeling by the time we get down there, they're going to be wrapping things up because everybody's going to start going to their seats. So we might be salmon. I know, I don't care, but it's just we want to see everything. Yeah. Well, I didn't mean to paint it as a negative. But nobody's going down. We're the only three. I don't want to take a video of it just because it's so creepy. Keep walking. But for one of the, you can get your pictures taken with the various cowboy backdrops and whatever. And then for one of the cowboy backdrops, there's like two girls that you get that are in a tight black dress. Press box, oh. Yeah. That you can get your picture taken with. It's so creepy and weird just getting your picture taken with two random girls.
They go like this.
Yeah, I know, it's just weird. It's just weird. Should we put you in a black dress and stand you next to a backdrop?
You can do that on the cruise.
Well, Aaron's shoes are untied. I need to tie it real quick. All right, actually he needs to tie it. He can do it. But he needs to stop and tie it. So with that, I say goodbye. Bye.
They're still going down the bottom of the slope.
Yeah.
We've been sloping for what feels
Sloping?
like days.
Is that a verb?
Sloping.
And it's starting to hurt my outer thighs right here from walking on a slope for miles and miles. Actually,
Is it lit?
about 1,000 steps or more.
Yeah. This is time consuming. I know. And then we have to do this all over again, but up. I think we'll take the stairs. Yeah. No, not now. We have to do this. We have to commit. Yeah. That's fine. I think we'll hit it. Because it doesn't really kick off till like 12:20. Bye. Is it gonna be heads or tails?
Tails.
Aaron's right. They were cheering you because you guessed correctly. Did you know that? This is. We're relaxing in the Dr. Pepper Lounge. Eating peanuts, drinking, and we got our screen over here that shows the. Oh, it's my girlfriend. Yeah. This is a fun way to watch the game. Watch the next play. There was a long time out. I guess there was an injured number 98.
Our backs to the field and watching that.
Yeah, I know. It is, but it's kind of cool too. We get the crowd noise, you know. Oh. Incomplete. Our blue is green. Not 100% sure what that means. But we've got a family emergency, so
I know what that means. That means Cowboys recycle.
Oh, okay. But our blue is green?
Yeah.
So why don't they just change their blue to green then?
Because if their blue is green, then it wouldn't be Cowboys anymore. There would be something else with green and white.
Alright. Anyway, we got a family emergency, so we have to leave. Our emergency is we have 6 coasters to go on, so we want to make sure we get there early enough to knock down all 6, and then we'll go on a few of the other rides again. Yeah, we were way up there, and we were watching the TVs down here. That was, I liked it, hearing the crowd in the background. Yeah, you were into it for a little while, which was fun. But we're, yeah.
But we're leaving, and it's the second quarter with 5 minutes left.
That's why I have the excuse of a family emergency. So that's what we're gonna be telling people. Yeah, we'll see what these people are doing. But anyway, we're gonna try to sneak out of here. All right. Will they even let us out that way? Well, we'll find out. Anyway, we're gonna try to escape our prison of Dallas Stadium. Wish us luck, people. Shannon just asked, is this Troy Aikman's Chris Kendall market? No, it's not. But we just passed Troy's restaurant, and now we're in, this feels so much like Rosemont, it's not even funny. We're just outside the stadium. We saw the Kendall market, and it doesn't look quite as popular as the Chicago one, so we thought, well, it's a little easier to get inside, so we'll get inside. We'll see what it's like. I'm a fan of this area, though. And Aaron sneezes of approval. Texas Ranger Stadium's right there. Texas Live. You know what? I haven't seen any with like the bull riding things out front, or you know, inside where people.
There are tons of bulls everywhere. You're not paying attention.
Like the rideable bulls?
Dude.
The mechanical bulls.
On the building.
No, mechanical bulls. Mechanical bulls.
Sign anywhere.
I bet you if I peek my head in there, I'm not going to see a mechanical bull. Alright, maybe it does. Alright, they kicked the field goal. Oh, that's cool. They have a screen right there. Thought that said Snake House. It still kind of looks like it says Snake House, but it's Smokehouse. Let me see. Yeah. I want it to be Lockhart Snakehouse. Then I go in. Because we shouldn't really eat right now, because in about an hour, Six Flags opens and we'll just have lunch there. Alright. We'll just explore this for a little bit and then we're off. Bye. Oh, now we're back.
An hour after we left AT&T Stadium, basically.
Yeah, that's true. We left.
Missed road trip by 1 minute.
Yep, now we have to go to Superstition Mountain, or whatever that one's called.
To the area of the park we never saw.
Yeah.
Runaway Mountain.
Is it called Runaway Mountain? Okay.
We were inspecting the map and we were like, wait a minute. There's a roller coaster that we totally didn't even see. And we were like, wait a minute. There's a whole section of the park that we missed.
Yeah, for San Antonio, we got to make sure we don't do that.
Yeah.
So we gotta tour more effectively next time. I mean,
well, our rule is we don't get a map.
Well, no, but yeah, but I think we were a little too lax. We were too relaxed because we had 2 days. On Fiesta, we cannot do that. All right. We'll be back to report later, but we're back. And that Cowboys game is 17-13. We're missing a pretty good game, but that's fine. Oh, that's cute restroom there.
How was it 17-13? Dallas had 14 earlier. So
Yeah, field goals, 3 points.
Oh, so Dallas has 17?
Yeah,
Oh.
and yeah. Right here?
No! Before the rodeo!
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
Or just follow the signs.
But I figured he'll take you on the version because we're hunting for something we've never seen before. A section of the park. Yeah.
It might be closed, man.
But it listed a wait time the other day. It listed as being...
Looks like it's a closed area, doesn't it? So this is the part we haven't seen.
Ah, weird. There's llama and a cow. I don't think they're. I hope they're not real. It'd be unfortunate from. What the? I don't know. I guess. Interesting. Oh no, thank you though.
Thank you all so much. Have a great time.
Merry
Merry Christmas.
Christmas. Oh, cool. Yeah, there's a lot of them. If you look on the map, there's a lot of spots. Well, that makes sense. The Cozy Cafe. Oh yeah, this is cute.
This is the part.
Yeah. It's quiet in here too. Yeah, I'm a fan of this. Yeah, that's what I was thinking of. Which is kind of funny. From your first impression of Castle Park, it's, oh, this is really cute. This looks like Castle Park. And there's JB's barbecue. Oh, wait a minute.
The other side of it. We saw the other side.
Okay. Well, now I'm worried again because I don't know where the coaster is.
It's over here in this building.
Okay. Answer the hunger just past these doors. That's a cute sign.
Get curves around.
Gotcha. But that's a cute sign.
Yeah. JB's answer to hunger just next.
What the heck? Oh, I'm so excited for this thing. Look at the show building for it. And then look at JB smoking. It looks like that's a coaster. Doesn't that look like a coaster?
All day yesterday. All this whole section.
I am so psyched. I'm glad we skipped it for our second day. Although, I'll tell you what it looks like to me. But we'll see if I'm right. Okay. Wow, I'm so psyched for this. This is so cool. No, that's the funny part. I have to take out my glasses. I have to switch them. Alright, pretty soon I'll have to stop recording and I'll give you our insights. I can't tell you how unbelievably excited I am for this ride. Okay, and now we stop. Alright, we'll report later. Yeah.
Ooh, Space Mountain roller coaster car.
Kinda. Yeah. Neat.
Cool across Runaway Mountain.
Yeah. Excited. Oop, now I can say it. All right, now we just went on Runaway Mountain. They're about to go on it a second time. I'm not gonna go on. I just want to make a recap video and yeah, just take in the scenery for a second. I think if we would have saw this side of the park yesterday, we would have had a much different overall opinion of the park because this section is really cool. We just missed it because it looked like a dead end, and then we kept walking around into this quote-unquote secret area. But that ride was fun. I mean, it's a little on the short side. It's like a Space Mountain, really, except it's pretty short and the turns are steeper. It's like a more bank turn, so it was fun. But it's a pretty short ride. There's only 2 trains. Okay. that's it. I'm really hungry. I want to go on Mr. Freeze, and then we'll go on. We'll eat. Okay, bye. Or you have chili to dip it in. If you want to dip your cheese bread into chili. It's exciting. I don't know if it tastes any good, but it's a little chili, but it's not that bad to eat. Oh, I did it again. It's a little chili. I love it when I do that. Oh, this would have been a fun park to visit. Yeah.
The log flume ride's still here.
Yeah, the log flume's still there.
They have a ride like Earthly.
Oh yeah. It looks like it's a clone. A boat ride? That looks like... That's pretty cool. I guess we're gonna find Pandemonium, or maybe just go on. Yeah.
I don't want to look at these pictures.
Yeah. But actually, I think we're gonna go on Mr. Freeze next.
And then
Yeah. It's easy. Okay, you'll see. He will. Bye.
Make my wish come true, baby. All I want for Christmas is you. You say, baby, oh, I won't ask for much this Christmas. I won't even wait for snow. I'm just gonna keep on waiting underneath the mistletoe, 'cause I just want you here tonight, holding on to me so tight. What? I won't ask for much this Christmas.
Mommy's going on Harley Quinn's Insanity, so here's a sneak preview for the second season of America's Oh, let's go for a ride and enjoy the feeling inside. That's all I have so far. That's all
I
have
like
so
it.
far.
That's good. I like that sneak preview.
And also, here's how the end of this intro is gonna go. In, press the button, pause. The intro is gonna be updated
For
in
season
the
3?
first- Season 2.
Oh, season 2. Yeah, that's right.
For the first episode that we're gonna be making in 2019.
19?
Yeah, 19.
Oh yeah, next year. Jeez, I keep thinking 2019. That's a long time from now. That's like a little over a week. That's crazy. Yeah, maybe in San Francisco it'll make its debut, or earlier. Who knows? But Mommy is going in the single rider line, so she should be able to get on fairly fast. Maybe. Who knows? There's Joker. And how many coasters have you been on in this park?
I'm not sure.
Well, I think 10 or 11.
How many coasters are there?
I think there's 13, so maybe 12. I don't know. We'll have to count later. But you've been on a ton. You went on
11.
Oh yeah, we didn't talk about you going.
I went on 11 because I think I still have one more kid coaster to go.
Yeah, just for the cheesy credit. But we didn't talk about you going on Mr. Freeze. What did you think about it?
It was fun.
Yeah. What was the? What,
Wait, no, that's-
no. Well, is it going back down? Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's about to go through. And up there. Oh, that goes back. My favorite part is when you go vertical, like on V2, and then it drops you back down. That's my favorite part. What's your favorite part of it? Yeah.
It kind of hangs you upside down for a tiny bit.
For a tiny bit, yeah, that's fun though, right? Cool. So we got one front of the line pass to use.
When
What
you're
do you?
going backwards through the half. When you're going backwards through the half.
Right. Yeah, it does kind of feel like
What
it.
were you saying? Sorry.
What do you want to use the front of the line pass for?
New Texas Giant.
Yeah, I agree. That one is fun. Let's see if Mommy's on this one. Or she might. I can't tell. If she's on it, she'll be on the one. Well, it's gonna say backwards, but who knows what backwards is at this point? Do you see her? Yikes. Yeah, I don't want to go to that one. You're upside down for way too long. I don't think she's on that one. Alright, till next time. Right?
Until next time.
Well, the next little video. I've been saying weird stuff that that we should edit out, but we don't. Okay, bye. There's the sled hill. You want to get a fast pass for it? Or, I mean, flash pass. Can you go?
This is like a fantastic song played poorly on the piano. With brain.
Weird. What other? And maybe they're gonna go to the Soren soundtrack or something. Oh no, they don't.
Yeah, it's weird.
That was weird.
This is what you're looking at. The new Texas Giant.
Hey, you said it right.
I know. And see this steep drop? It's like 78-degree drop. And this is Aaron's favorite coaster at Six Flags Over Texas. It's made by, it's RMC.
Yeah.
The same people that made Goliath at Six Flags Great America, our home park.
Colossus and Wicked Cyclone.
Twisted Colossus and Wicked Cyclone.
Really good development.
And we're gonna go on all those eventually one day, right, Aaron? Right.
And they made
You look so happy.
made supposedly the best coaster there is.
Which is what?
Steel Vengeance at Cedar Point.
Cool.
Really looking forward to that one.
So, we might have to come back to this park just for what's over here, guys. Because, supposedly, I read on the wiki that it's the world's only,
Worlds?
yes, Looney Tunes animatronic dark ride.
Yeah, we have to do that. So we might have to make a special flight just for this place. Just for this ride. Because that's really, we've done everything we want except for that thing. Yeah, it is pretty. This is a nice spot.
It's like Osborne's.
Yeah,
It's like Osborne's kind of, a small version.
yeah. Bye. All right, we made it from almost rope drop. We missed it by a couple minutes to last kiss.
We missed it by a minute.
Yeah, we missed it by a minute.
3 minutes to 10 or
Oh, we should leave a minute. We should run out of here and leave a minute early.
I have to go potty though.
Oh, we're gonna be here plus. Okay, that's it's okay. But since we had a full day here after watching.
Finding the whole part we missed yesterday.
Oh yeah, right, exactly. So obviously we think a little bit higher of the park after 2 days being here.
Yeah, yesterday I think I gave it a 6 or a 6.5.
Yeah.
I think it's now an 8.
8. Yeah, that's about where I have it.
It's not like a bunch of dead ends as much as I felt yesterday.
Yeah, there's a lot of just tidy, zippy, like little paths. Yeah.
And the cool thing is they have Coke freestyle machines like all over the place. Like I never had to wait in a line to get a freestyle,
Yeah.
which is awesome.
And it's been a busy day.
Oh yeah, it's super busy.
Yeah, but it's fine.
And the food is like really good here too.
Yeah, I liked all the meals here, which is something you can't really say at many Six Flags parks.
No, especially ours.
Right, yeah.
Ours really needs to step up.
Yeah. Alrighty, so we're about to head out of here. This will be our final thoughts for the night. Do we have anything to add? No, I
I
think
think it's cute though. What ride did you end it on?
the the toboggan ride. So
How
yeah,
did you guys start yesterday?
yeah, we talked about that. Our first ride and our last ride is, and the ride he went on most was Texas Giant, New Texas Giant, which is an RMC. It's a really speedy. It's probably the most thrilling coaster here, honestly. That or Titan, which he went on. But okay. All right, now we're heading out. Go ahead, we'll find you. Aaron, tomorrow right now actually, we're heading to Waco to spend the night. Then we're gonna wake up and we're going to Austin. So now that
Go up.
I should have thought of that. Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna Waco up and then drive to Austin. So that's where we're gonna go tomorrow. So now that you know, all that's left is to Aaron, press the button.